everyone, I'm Chunyu Li from Tokyo Institute of Technology. I'd like to introduce our work on hyperspectral-depth reconstruction using single color dot projection. This is a joint work with Yusuke Mono and Masatoshi Okutomi. In this paper, from a single RGB image captured with a random color dot projection, we simultaneously reconstruct the depth and spectral reflectance for each pixel. In this paper, we propose a novel single-shot system to simultaneously acquire depth and spectral reflectance using off-the-shelf devices. Our system uses a single color dot projection to simultaneously provide geometric and spectral observations, and we built an end-to-end depth neural network architecture. We extract the color dot pattern from input RGB image by local constructed normalization. Then we estimate the disparity from an input image and an LCN image using the disparity estimation network. The color dot pattern is generated by randomly filling each projector pixel with one of the three RGB code words, which represents the projector's RGB primaries. The projector's RGB primaries provide three distinct illuminations, so we can obtain the illumination spectrum at each pixel of the color dot pattern. Then we warp the color dot illumination spectrum from the projector viewpoint to the camera viewpoint based on the estimated disparity map to provide the correct illumination information for each camera pixel. The estimated disparity is then converted to the depth map. Finally, the spectral reconstruction network estimates the spectral reflectance using these inputs. For spectral reconstruction, the three distinct illuminations result in the information from 9 spectral bands. On the other hand, for disparity estimation, the random pattern provides a locally unique code for establishing correspondences between the captured color dot image and the reference color dot pattern. The two networks are trained in an end-to-end manner using both geometric loss and photometric loss. For the details of the loss functions, please refer to the paper. We developed a spectral renderer to generate a synthetic dataset with rendered RGB color dot images, ground truth disparity maps, and ground truth spectral reflectance images. This dataset is available in the project homepage. For the synthetic dataset generation, we use the ShapeNet dataset as the 3D models. We randomly assign the ground truth spectral reflectance data to different texture paths of each 3D model. For the depth evaluation, we compare our method with AdaBeans, which learns the depth from a standard RGB image without any dot pattern, and connecting the dots, which learns the depth from a single gray code image with a connect dot pattern. The spectral reflectance evaluation, we compare our method with a method using spectral reflectance basis functions and a learning-based method. The method yields the best results for both the depth and the spectral reflectance by training the network models using both geometric losses and photometric losses. This is the qualitative results of the depth reconstruction of one test scene, where our method provides a more accurate depth map. This is the sRGB images converted from the estimated spectral reflectances, and the spectral reflectances results on 8 sample points. We can confirm that our spectral reflectance result is the closest to the ground truth. Next is the result on real scenes. We use an ASUS P3B projector and a Canon 5D Mark II camera for our projector camera system. Because our method can realize the single-shot reconstruction of the depth and the spectral reflectance, we applied our method to a dynamic scene. This is the relating result of the dynamic scene using the estimated 3D points and the spectral reflectance under varying illumination spectrum. This is the relating result under varying light source position.